what's up, YouTubians? Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate it if you go ahead and punch that like at the beginning, because some of y'all are watching the videos, but y'all not hitting the like button, and it's starting to offend me that y'all don't like my videos. I'm Rudy, better known as Dirty30 when I'm on the back of Ucosa here, but right now it's 20 degrees in Cincinnati, and I ain't getting on the back of her, riding her nowhere. But I am in here to continue doing the project I have going on in the garage here. And right now I'm putting the pause button on messing with that electrical box because I got that ugly little area above the garage door, and I just hate looking at it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that framed in, and we'll take care of that for today. And I'll probably run some more feeder wire towards the sub panel and see how far I can get for today. I started off pretty late. I chose to sleep in today because my bed was nice and warm. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit that like button for me. Other than that, let's get started. In this case, because I got those two dangerous springs on that rod for the garage door opener, I'm gonna go ahead and bore the holes in the frame now. After that, I'll stick it up there and see where we can go from there. Oh well, what a surprise. It didn't work that way. Guess I'll have to take the top rail off. Looks like I'm 1 2x4 short, so I gotta run to Home Depot again and get that so I can finish, at least finish this step. I'll tell you, boy.
1 hour later.
Above the garage door where that spring is, I went to put the door down, and the spring of the screws that holds the spring in place snatched the insulation, and it pulled it all down, and it wound all up in there. So I had to get that all down. So I think I'm just gonna go with maybe some enhanced styrofoam. It's actually like a backer board insulation, but it's better than the fishing tackle box bait carrying styrofoam that they use to do this house with. I tried not to run my mouth today. I tried to just go ahead and get some work done, let y'all follow me along. Thank you guys for coming back and watching the channel. Remember to slam that like button for me, hit the subscribe button, share the video with other people and other folks that you know in other social media platforms, and I'm gonna share them first as well. I have nothing else to say, but I then peace.